success came to me like as a like a bang. Library I did long ago when I was very young. I got selected from a children's play, but she's taken this step now, and now Baba and Baba will know who Pammi is. Honestly, during the shoot of Ashram and when it just got over, 25th November, my father passed away. So morning 3 hours, evening 3 hours, you know. वहाँ से cut to Prithvi Theatre and Makarand Deshpande. And I said, मुझे ना sir ये करना है. उन्होंने कहा, बेटा तुम घर से भाग के आई हो, खाना खाने के लिए पैसे हैं, कोई है तुम्हारे आसपास. After Ashram, I think everybody gives me free food, free stay. People don't take money from me. That's because see, time will pass. This success is today, right? What's tomorrow?
So is Aditi also a stalker, like social media, yeah?
Social media, no. I stalk human beings only, straight.
Yeah. Oh,
I know
scary.
You went there, na, that restaurant. Hi, I'm Aditi Pohankar and you're watching me on Movified.
So Pammi is here in Movified studio. Welcome to Movified.
Japnaam.
Japnaam.
Japnaam, Japnaam.
So मुझे ये बताओ अदिति, कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर रही हो ये पूरी आश्रम की जो सक्सेस है?
मैं लोगों को सेलिब्रेट करने दे रही हूँ क्योंकि ऑनेस्टली 1.5 साल बाद शो आया है. सो एवरीबडी सेलिब्रेटिंग इन देयर ओन वेज बिकॉज वी शॉट दिस ऑफ कोर्स 1 year ago, मतलब 1.5 साल पहले ही आई कैन से. और उसके बाद एयरपोर्ट पे, सिग्नल पे, कहीं पे भी, फ्लाइट में, पीपल आर लाइक कब आ रहा है आश्रम, कब आ रहा है आश्रम, कब आ रहा है. आई वाज लाइक शूट तो किया है तो आ क्यों नहीं रहा है, क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. सो आई आस्क्ड मेनी टाइम्स. बॉबी सर वाज आल्सो लाइक अरे यार हर जगह पूछ लेते हैं कब आ रहा है, कब आ रहा है. सो फाइनली आई एम हैप्पी दैट इट्स आउट.
वाओ.
या दैट्स व्हाई आई लेट पीपल सेलिब्रेट फॉर अ व्हाइल, देन आई सेलिब्रेट.
और ऑल्सो लड़की ने अपने पैर तोड़ लिए हैं तो मतलब
या अभी थोड़ा अच्छा दिखने के लिए उसको ऐसे रखा है.
ओके, टॉकिंग अबाउट कि अदिति की लाइफ में आफ्टर आश्रम क्या कुछ बदल गया है?
आफ्टर आश्रम तो सब कुछ बदल गया. और उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा वक्त लिया एंड आई वाज honestly during the shoot of Ashram and when it just got over, 25th November, my father passed away. So I took about 6 months, 8 months because I believe in taking my time because unless you are resolved as a person, you cannot perform as an actor, I feel. तो उसमें मैंने थोड़ा वक्त बिताया अपने आप के साथ, चीज़ों के साथ कि पम्मी के साथ जो हुआ वो अदिति के साथ भी कैसे हो गया. You know, like there I was giving Agni to my father's this thing, the pyre to my mother's, and here I did it to my father's. तो मेरे लिए ना बहुत ही बड़ा एक existential question खड़ा हो गया था तभी कि है क्या ज़िंदगी. तो उसमें मैंने अपने आप को थोड़ा और explore होने दिया खुद से, मतलब खुद को समझने की कोशिश और ज़्यादा. और उसके बाद मैंने 3 और स्क्रिप्ट्स किए जहाँ पे मेरा परफॉर्मेंस एकदम अलग हो गया. मतलब उस वजह से एक ठहराव आ गया. देयर इज अ सेंस ऑफ ग्रेविटास, देयर इज अ सेंस ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ life, so understanding of scene better, both. So I'm really enjoying because see, life will go on. What you learn from it, what you achieve from it, and what you apply from it. Intellectual conversations can happen, but your buddhi will grab the crux of it and utilize it. तो मैं अब वो कर रही हूँ. I mean, it can be sounding little philosophical, but as Pammi also, if you see, यही हुआ है उसके जर्नी में कि वो एक innocent लड़की है जैसे मैं हमेशा से हूँ और मतलब थी उस किरदार में, and from there she is now becoming this girl who doesn't realize that revenge was there within her somewhere, but it's a human aspect, right? सब में होता है. मैं आपको झापड़ लगाऊंगी, एक बार आप बोलोगे ये क्या किया, दूसरी बार लगाऊंगी, तीसरे 4th टाइम सेल्फ डिफेंस में आप बोलोगे ये रुक जा, और आप अगर ज़्यादा ताकतवर हो तो आप मुझे दे दोगे. इट्स लाइक दैट. सो पम्मी की ताकत उसने अभी पहचानी या नहीं, ये सवाल नहीं है. पम्मी ने अपनी ताकत का उपयोग किस तरीके से किया, ये सवाल है. तो वहाँ से वो जर्नी शुरू हुई.
एंड इन रियल लाइफ व्हेन इट कम्स टू अदिति, व्हेन लाइफ पुल्स यू डाउन, what do you do to come over?
To overcome, I use my teachings which I learned from. I have somebody who's my spiritual teacher, so I apply those teachings, but not making it very heavy. It's more like, it's like, I would say, if you talk about spirituality, then it's simpler than the word simple. But work is within then. Work is not in blaming. Work is not in saying he did, she did. Work is about being responsible for your own actions. And Pammi is also doing the same thing. Pammi is responsible for her own act. There is something called, because I've just heard it, so I'll just mention it. It's something called as, being true to yourself. So even if you're saying the false, you're true to yourself. You know कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ क्योंकि इस वजह से मैं ये कर रही हूँ, right? तो that is enough of truth, even if it's a lie. That's what Pammi is doing. She knows that वो कहीं ना कहीं गलत हैं. मतलब ना उसकी माँ चाहती कि वो ये बने, ना उसका भाई चाहता, ना उसके पिता चाहते, right? Her dad also wouldn't want her to be this, but she's taken this step now, and now Baba and Baba will know who Pammi is.
हाँ,
है ना, वो तो है, वो मजा तो है इसमें.
वो मजा तो है इसमें. By any chance you follow Buddhism?
No, I follow something which is like understanding of the self. Yeah. So I get teachings over understanding. There is no religion to it. There is no name to it. It's more like, understanding who I am, to be a better person, to be a better human, so that आपके behavior से 1000 और लोग प्रभावित हो जाए. That is the whole idea of this teaching, and it's really made me understand this, because what happens is luckily I have been success came to me like as a like a bang. Laibhari I did long ago when I was very young. I got selected from a children's play and it became a huge rage. मेरे को तो समझा ही नहीं. आपको मैं सच बताती हूँ, मैं तो तब एथलीट भी थी. वहाँ से मैंने एक ही साल कुछ थिएटर किया था और मुझे रोल मिल गया विद रितेश देशमुख, राइट, एंड निशिकांत कामत. मेरे बहुत ही फेवरेट लोग थे उस टाइम पे. मैं जिनसे बात कर रही थी कि मुझे काम चाहिए, ये लोग थे. और जब वो हिट हुई, आई वेंट ऑनलाइन और मैंने देखा कि सारा कुछ ना ग्रे है. वो सीट्स जो
सुपर हिट हुई.
हाँ, सुपर हिट यार. वो ग्रे जो सीट्स होती है ना, वो फुल. दूसरे इसमें भी फुल, तीसरे इसमें फुल. आई वाज लाइक, ओ गॉड, ये तो चल ही नहीं रही है, पूरा फुल खाली है. मुझे लगा वो खाली है क्योंकि वो ग्रे था. मुझे लगा वो खाली है लग रहा है. बाद में समझ में आया कि वो सब फुल है. एंड आई वाज लाइक, वाओ. And I went to the theater here, Bahar or something like that.
Bahar Cinema, Bahar Cinema is there.
Vile Parle में, right?
हाँ, कहीं तो है.
टिकट नहीं मिली. Bahar या Chandan, one of the.
Chandan is in Juhu. It was in Juhu.
Yeah. But I went to Vile Parle. I think it's Bahar. अभी वो है नहीं शायद. तो I went there and I stood up after the song happened, and everybody just turned and said, heroine. And I was like, oh my god. This is what it feels like. And I was very young that time, just like out of my school, college, first years. I was like, man, this is amazing. और उसके बाद there was like a long break that I took because I studied art. I studied theatre because I was an athlete. मुझे नहीं पता था acting क्या है. तो मैं कुछ कारणवश यहाँ पे आ गई,
And क्या कारण था वो?
I always talk about it on all the interviews. I don't know, maybe आपने सुना है या नहीं सुना है, but my mom was a teacher. आपने सुना है ये कहानी? मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ. नहीं. अच्छा, मैं हमेशा ये कहानी बताती हूँ सबको, but संक्षेप में I'll tell you in a small brief that my mother was a CA ICWA teacher and उनकी इच्छा थी कि मैं होर्डिंग पे आऊँ. तो मैंने सुना और मैंने समझा, क्योंकि मैं I was maybe 15 that time, 10th grade, yeah. So मैंने सुना और मैंने सोचा, oh, she wants me to be, and she randomly said that, okay. And then she passed away, and I was too young to understand. और तब मेरा पता नहीं क्या हुआ, एक जुनून होता है ना, यूथ का जुनून, as in that age when you're just in teenage, उसमें मैं ना, it caught me in that whirlpool. तो मैंने कहा मेरे मॉम को मुझे होर्डिंग पे देखना है. तो मुझे मतलब क्या, मतलब एक्टर बनना होगा, है ना, और तो क्या हो सकता है. बाद में पता चला कि she meant कि वो क्लासेस जो होते हैं, जैसे कि अग्रवाल क्लासेस, शर्मा क्लासेस, दिस क्लासेस, उनके जो भी बच्चे मेरिट रैंक पे आते हैं, तो वो बस के ऊपर वो होर्डिंग लगाते हैं अपना प्रचार करने के लिए, राइट. शी मेंट कि मतलब आई वांट टू सी यू ऑन दैट होर्डिंग, एंड आई थॉट अबाउट दिस होर्डिंग. सो आई स्ट्रेट वेंट टू मकरंद देशपांडे, माय मेंटर, माय सर, मैक्स सर, एंड आई सेड आई वांट टू बिकम एन एक्टर. एंड आई वाज लाइक अ बॉय दैट टाइम बिकॉज़ आई वाज अ रनर. मैं तो प्रॉपर ये नेशनल ये वो इवेंट्स के लिए आई यूज्ड टू ट्रेन एवरी डे 6 आवर्स, मॉर्निंग 3 आवर्स, इवनिंग 3 आवर्स, वहाँ से कट टू पृथ्वी थिएटर एंड मकरंद देशपांडे. एंड आई सेड मुझे ना सर ये करना है. तो उन्होंने कहा बेटा तुम घर से भाग के आई हो, खाना खाने के लिए पैसे है, कोई है तुम्हारे आसपास? आई सेड नहीं, मेरे मॉम का ये हो गया है एंड दिस हैपेंड. देन ही सेड व्हाट्स योर फुल नेम? आई सेड अदिति पोहनकर. एंड ही वाज लाइक, ओह आर यू रिलेटेड टू पंडित अजय पोहनकर? आई वाज लाइक, ऑफ कोर्स आई एम. पर अजय Kaponkar, if you don't know, he's a classical maestro. He's a Hindustani classical maestro, and the world knows him. It's like that. But I was not close to him. We connected only on one thing, which was मैं कोयल की आवाज नहीं, मैं कोयल की आवाज निकालती हूँ जो अजय काका भी इमिटेट करते हैं.
Okay.
I am not in touch with अजय काका, my काका only. For years, because वो family is different distance ये वो के वजह से I'm not in touch. But अभी मैक्स सर को impress करना है क्योंकि सरनेम कुछ तो वेट का है ये पता चल गया है. So I called my kaka. I met him and I said this, that. Then next time again I met Makran sir and I said, yeah, he's my uncle. No, of course, full confidence में. And of course I learned music later from my kaku and all for 4 years. And we reconciled as family also because of that. देखो आर्ट क्या क्या करवा देता है आपसे ना. आप आर्ट के लिए एक कदम लो ना, आपको आर्ट और 5 कदम आगे ले जाती है लाइफ में, पता है. Like to learn a language. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे तमिल सीखनी है, राइट. तमिल सीखने के लिए मुझे अपने सारे सेंसेस को मतलब आई हैव टू कीप इट असाइड कि मुझे पता क्या है, क्योंकि वो लैंग्वेज ही अलग है. पर उसके लिए फिर क्लासेस करना, अगर मैं फिल्म कर रही हूँ तो उसे समझना, उससे बात करना, उससे मेरी योर ब्रेन एक्चुअली गेट्स अ डिटॉक्स, यू नो, बिकॉज इट्स अ न्यू लैंग्वेज, नो. सो इट अवेकन्स. इट्स अ एक्सरसाइज फॉर द ब्रेन टू लर्न न्यू लैंग्वेजेस. So see what all it can get you if you actually pay attention to it from a life point of view as a teacher, you know.
And one best thing that has happened to you
after ashram?
After ashram,
I think everybody gives me free food, free stay. People don't take money from me.
Such an honest answer.
Seriously. And they are not ready to take the money. I'm like, no, I don't want to add the karma. I am going to give you the money. तो मैं पैसे छोड़ के भाग जाती हूँ. Simple. मैं पहाड़ों में गई थी अकेले, मनाली में गई थी किसी जगह पर, ग्लैम पैक नाम के. And that man, after like one day he realized I'm पम्मी पहनना. तो मेरे रूम में आए, भजी लेके, भजी होता है ना कांदा,
कांदा
भजिया लेके. अरे सर, ओ पम्मी जी, आप पम्मी जी हो, मुझे पता है नहीं आप पम्मी जी हो, बताओ. मैं देख रहा हूँ कुछ तो सिमिलैरिटी है पर पता नहीं क्या है. मैंने हाँ राइट. एंड आई वाज हैविंग सम अदर मोमेंट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, यू नो, थिंकिंग अबाउट माय डैड एंड व्हाट नॉट. एंड ही इज ओ जी आप बस रहो, जब तक मन करे रहो, आप ही का कर रहे, बस आप रहो. मैंने कहा ठीक है. फिर जाते वक्त मैं बिल ये करने गई थी तो आपसे पैसे लूँगा, मैं क्या पागल हूँ, नहीं लूँगा आपसे पैसे. आई वेंट द थर्ड डे, जब वो नहीं थे मैं वहाँ पर पैसे छोड़ के आई हूँ एनवेलप में कि प्लीज़ ये मत कीजिए, आप मुझसे पैसे लीजिए, ये मत कीजिए. तो उन्होंने मुझे गाड़ी ये कर दी, एक गाड़ी कोई मेरे लिए बुक कर दी, उसमें भी पैसे नहीं लिए मुझसे.
How sweet.
So yeah, that is one thing that has happened to me.
But
sure.
Also actors को तो काफी collabs आते भी है ना. आते हैं ना, वही तो. Okay, कभी ऐसा हुआ लाइफ में कि जब सक्सेस मिल गई तो किसी ने बोला हो, और मे बी यू फेल्ट कभी ऐसे कि सक्सेस सर पे चढ़ा है? अदिति के सर पे सक्सेस कभी चढ़ा?
बोला हूँ मैं, आई एम श्योर, क्योंकि मैं आईलाइन से सबको हटाती हूँ ना तो लोगों को लगता है रूड, बट इट्स नॉट ट्रू यार. आई जस्ट वांट टू डू अ गुड जॉब, दैट्स इट. और लोग इतना चलते रहते हैं ना, मतलब सेट पे क्यों चलते हैं, तो मैं थोड़ा वो हो जाती हूँ. बट ऐसा तो आई डोंट नो, लेट्स आस्क असावरी. व्हाट यू थिंक यार, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, यू टेल मी, यू नो मी नाउ. Maybe people talk irrespective, आप हो नहीं हो, और ऑनेस्टली मेरे लिए वो ज़्यादा मायने नहीं रखता है. आप मेरे को बोलोगे हाँ परफॉर्मेंस आपकी अच्छी नहीं हुई तो मैं आपको सुनूंगी फिर भी, बट इफ यू से दिस पर्सन दैट पर्सन, yeah, people are in different moods, people are in different situations, people are in like something else is happening. You never know when you're catching them in which moment. Now it's very easy to judge people, but it's very difficult to understand which situation they are in, right? So don't judge, let them be.
Right.
Yeah.
And who is that one person, go-to person in the industry for Aditi?
In the industry?
Yeah.
I think I call Imtiaz sir a lot because he's very close to me. Arif sir, very close to me.
Yeah.
And Makran sir. Makran sir is my first go-to. But he's also home. So then 11 बजे चाय पीती है क्या सर ये लेवल पे, इम्तियाज सर के साथ, सर 16th को मिलते हैं प्लीज. फिर उनको मिलना ऐसे. बट आई periodically meet them and I just go meet, have tea, say hi, and that's it. We work, we don't work, but we have a bond. Because in that time only when I was doing She and Ashram, both my directors were very close to me because my dad was not keeping well for some one month or something, and he passed away that time. So they both were there as support because I was shooting and facing that in my real life. That's
ओके एंड अगर एक चीज़ मैं पूछूं इम्तियाज़ और प्रकाश झा के बारे में, सो व्हाट्स दैट वन थिंग विच अदिति हैज़ लर्नड फ्रॉम देम, इम्तियाज़ एंड प्रकाश झा?
Yeah, I think what I have learned from them is that they keep the scene fresh because they are so huge. They are geniuses, I would say, you know. Like they have really given us some certain films which are like which depict, like especially Prakash sir, they tell you the reality of a situation in a कहानी के तौर पे बताते हैं. It's not that it's a propagandist thing. It's a story. He's a storyteller. He always says that. But he's also giving a message in that. So, you know, after being there at that level, you are behaving like you are almost like new to this right now. They approached every scene every day like that. And with that, I think what I have learned from there is their discipline of keeping it fresh, keeping it new, keeping it relatable. Yeah. Because see, time will pass. This success is today, right? What's tomorrow? And in that only most of the people go crazy कि आगे के चक्कर में इस मोमेंट में आप भूल जाते हो कि ये मोमेंट भी तो है. This is also divine grace, no? आपको किसी ने somebody has given you this to enjoy, not to think about the future. Because thinking about the past and future, it's common, right? But enjoying the present moment is tough. But I've seen these people do that.
And how many DMs Aditi is receiving for Pammi Pahalwan?
Too many.
Yeah.
This time Pammi has become एकदम
DMs पढ़ती हो सारे?
हाँ, DMs पढ़ती हूँ, फोटो खींचती हूँ, वापस repost करती हूँ.
You reply?
I reply.
Yeah,
I reply. There are so many of my fans who have become like I genuinely talk to them nowadays. How are you and all that, because they genuinely have such good feelings for me. Especially they keep saying that what you talk about or whatever, we relate to it. So you know, may God give you all the success, blessings, this that. So with such a genuine thought, why wouldn't I reply? This is actually a good collab. What is that called?
Yeah, collaboration.
Good collaboration.
Yeah, good collaboration. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. और मतलब सारे अच्छे वाले DMs ही आते हैं या फिर कुछ नेगेटिव भी आते हैं?
नेगेटिव भी आते हैं शायद, पर
you take it, how do you take those things, those messages?
I feel that his stomach is upset if he's saying all this. Simple. Why would he doesn't know me? Why would he or she say this? That means bichara. I pray for them and I'll leave it. Yeah.
What's your idea of a romance?
My idea of a romance is in wait.
Wait.
हाँ, वो जो तनाव होता है ना wait का, that coming, not coming, that excitement. Will it happen today, or will I meet him today or not? Oh, then what will he do? And you know, both people are thinking about each other. You know, आज window में I love those you know, those buildings. I shot recently in Kolkata for something. I love those buildings now where you can see each other's houses. That round wala building, like that, where it's like how to say, the balconies are similar. Like in a way, I think it's the old style of chawls. I love those kind of, like, I used to really like Alfred Hitchcock films because from one distance, as an observer, you're watching, is ghar mein kya ho raha hai, is ghar mein kya ho raha hai, is ghar mein kya ho raha hai, you know? So there are many times where I have never lived in that kind of a setup, but where I grew up, from there I used to see this one boy's window. So where he's studying, or when will he come there, or then will he, and I know he can see me, okay? And then if he looks, I'm like, yeah, whatever, you know, that kind of thing. Tare, tote dhundo, and then just keep looking, and then you're like, okay, fine. And then sometimes when you meet, this romance.
So is Aditi also a stalker, like social media, yeah?
Social media, no. I stalk human beings only, straight.
Yeah. Oh,
I know
scary.
You went there, no? That restaurant, so I go sit there. Time pass. Like that. Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
You know, honestly, it's not just with guys or whatever, because a lot of guys like me. I mean, it happens so that they like me. Instant ulta nahi hota hai kabhi. But I have stalked like some constables, like cop girls, na. When I was doing Sheena, that time I used to sit and wait for them in Me Marathi in Parla East and just observe them. So once, na, there was one girl, she asked me, and I was like, kind of nothing. She saw every day I'm coming there and watching them. तो लगातार एक हफ्ता मैंने वो किया होगा to see body language, you know. मैंने सोचा यार ये कॉप ऐसी कैसी कॉप है, ऐसी है वैसी है, ठंडी है, what not was, this is too much pressure to impress Imtiaz sir at that time. तो मैंने कहा कैसे करूंगी मैं ये लोअर मिडिल क्लास, कभी समझा नहीं है ये सेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी, हाउ टू डू इट दैट, लहजा बात करने का तरीका, बॉडी लैंग्वेज ड्रॉप, प्लस डोंट लुक ग्लैमर, सीन इन द वे वी आर, we have a certain body language ना, this creates a certain impression and it's there with you for years, उसको ब्रेक करके उधर उस किरदार में अपने आप को ढालना, it's very tough. तो जब मैंने ये टाइप का स्टॉकिंग किया है मैंने, and I stalked vada pav walas, yeah. Which vada pav walas gone where? I'm like at the lookout. If they shift, then my heart breaks, no, because then I like specific vada pav only because it's a cheat day. Only once in a month is possible, right? If that person is gone, then I'm dead. Then I get nightmares.
So best vada pav मुंबई में कहाँ मिलता है? According to Aditi, क्या suggest करोगी?
एक तो मैं खुद बनाती हूँ, so please come eat. Wow. I'm inviting you all. Yeah, because after they started breaking my heart. I am though
coming, and I am also coming with the camera then.
100%, yeah.
Next interview is fixed.
Okay, done. Pakka. So there is one vada pav place in Parla East. Okay, that's next to Satay Garden. There's a really cute old uncle who sits on a stool and he makes homemade vada pav. And as per you come, he makes hot vada pav. Oh, yeah. Really nice.
And qualities that you want in your life partner?
In my life partner? Honestly, what I want in my life partner, rather, I want to develop those qualities in me first and then just be. Automatically, he'll react to who I am.
क्या qualities है वो?
मतलब, my first quality which I'm walking on that path to get there, is having like very simple approach, humility basically. I love humility. I love being humble. I try wherever I can be humble, because that is a quality of the divine which resonates with love. And if you are humble, it doesn't matter you're right, you're wrong, what the other person is right, wrong, you'll always be at peace. That's one thing. And I'm really trying to walk on that path. I'm praying to the divine to give me that. It's a state, I would say. It's not that today I'm humble in front of you, at home I'm saying something about somebody. It's a state. It will constantly be there. In pain, in happiness, in sadness, in turmoil, that state will always be there. So I want that kind of a state. Plus, there's one more thing which my mom always has portrayed how she was. That is Niswarth Bhav, like being selfless. Yeah, Nirmal Bhav, Niswarth Bhav, and just be there for humanity. Because I think if one person changes, I feel that a lot, that people these days are very upset about something. I don't know what. And looking at them, I also get upset, सेट पे भी देखो तो चिल्लम चिल्ली, यहाँ देखो चिल्लम, क्यों कर रहे हैं हम ये सब यार, मजे में नहीं आ रहे, कब यहाँ से निकलेंगे? पहली चीज होती है when are we parents pack up, run and go home, have a bath and go on your phone. That's it. This has become now a regular life of regular people. Isn't it true?
आश्रम के सेट पे क्या होता था?
आश्रम के सेट पे exactly opposite. हम लोग सेट पे भी मजे, उसके बाद रूम पे भी मजे. तो बहुत बार ऐसे हुआ कि प्रकाश सर का रूम हमारे रूम के नीचे, मतलब बॉबी सर या चंदन, we all used to go to Chandan's room because his room was always open. चलो बोपे के रूम में चलते हैं, मजे करते हैं. And it's not particularly like they are drinking or something like that, nothing, because कल सुबह 6 बजे कॉल टाइम है, 5 बजे 6 बजे. And Prakash sir is very disciplined and strict, so we have to be there because he is before us. That's why. And there was no gossip. You'll see us now, even now when we go together as in, nobody's like hogging each other's space or something like that. We are together in it, Like Bobby sir, first thing I got a call was from Bobby sir and said, "Pehlwan, kya kaam kar rahi hai tu?" And I said, "Wow." And he said, "My wife and me both watched. Aditi, you're so hardworking. You're so this thing. You're so that thing." I was like, "Wow, this is so amazing, right? That he doesn't need to know. Why should he? I was junior, but he did." So we all are actually in one synchronized energy, and that's because of the captain of the ship. प्रकाश सर इज लाइक दैट. सबका समान होता है. हम सब एक ही होटल में रुकते हैं, कोई यहाँ नहीं वहाँ नहीं, कुछ नहीं, सब एक ही होटल में रुकेंगे, सब एक साथ खाएंगे, एक साथ निकलेंगे. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि मैं वैन में बैठ के अपना खाना खाऊंगी. वी ऑल सिट टुगेदर ऑन अ लॉन्ग टेबल, वी लाफ, टॉक, शूट, प्लस द फिल्म बिकम्स अ हिट. ऐसा नहीं है वी आर जस्ट मेकिंग समथिंग एंड इट्स नॉट वर्किंग आउट. ये भी नहीं है. मजे भी है और कमर्शियल भी है.
राइट. और मैं आ ही रही थी सेट, लाइक आपने बॉबी की बात की. व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट लाइक बॉबी, So everyone in the industry knows that Bobby has got a heart of gold, okay?
Yeah.
And he is such a simple man,
Yeah.
बहुत ही शांत. But how was Bobby Deol on the sets of Ashram, and how was it working with him?
I always say this, and I hope he doesn't mind it, that Bobby sir is like huge. He's Bobby Deol, but for me, he's like one small child. He feels like a newborn baby. He will say what he feels. He will do what he feels, which will be in a ऐसा नहीं कि मैं कुछ भी करूँगा. प्रकाश सर को रिस्पेक्ट देंगे, को एक्टर्स को रिस्पेक्ट देंगे. अगर कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा सीधे बोल देंगे, क्या यार तू ऐसे कर रही है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है यार. I'm so pissed off. And people sometimes mistake that, probably not with Bobby sir, but I'm saying in general, that when you speak your mind now, people might mistake it. And he is the way he is now how he's been around for so many years, but he's like that. So I find him very like clean-hearted, and it's simple to be around clean-hearted people, because then you can say sorry, you can say, oh, I felt this, I felt that. There's no mask over there.
Right.
So he is heart of gold. I would completely agree with that. And I think, honestly, he keeps saying, yeah, he's so humble towards Prakash sir also. And Prakash sir was like, Bobby, you have done it. Don't give me all the credit. But it's so nice of him to say that, yes, I got this opportunity. And it's actually, everybody said, your comeback. It is his comeback. I didn't even know when he went. When they are saying comeback, I was like, but where did he go? He was there. No, maybe I don't watch too many films also. Aisa ho sakta hai. But yeah, he's a beautiful co-actor to work with, and a very beautiful person also.
कुछ photos हैं.
Okay.
So this is going to be a segment where you are talking about picture. This is called picture story.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to show you few pictures of yours. Now you have to tell me कि ये कहाँ की है photo, और कोई funny caption देना हुआ तो which caption, what caption that will be.
Okay.
Okay. So let's start with this photo.
ये कहाँ की है?
हाँ, कब खींची थी ये फोटो?
ये बॉबी सर के घर की फोटो है, और ये उनकी वॉल है जहाँ पे सब लोग फोटो खींचते हैं, ऐसे उन्होंने हमसे कहा था. और इसका कैप्शन, funny caption. I would say that we are such liars. You know why? झूठे हैं हम सब. हम like पर्दे पे कुछ और कर रहे हैं. We are doing something on screen and look how close we are. So group of liars. Yeah.
What about this?
This, I would say, Santa Claus missed me, so I became one. And this was in, I don't know where exactly. This was in some, I think this was in Darjeeling.
Your mentor.
I think madness starts with him. I would certainly say that, looking at the photo. So, two mad people in one frame. And this was at Prithvi Theatre during a play called Manushya.
Makarand Deshpande.
Oh!
You and Karan Johar.
The king of Bollywood. You want a funny caption, right?
Yes.
Finally I meet the king of Bollywood. Okay. And I think this was at the Netflix party where Ted Sarandon and everybody had come. Yeah. Oh, this, me trying to be Madhubala maybe. And this was in Tea House, I think I had clicked. Chamkila की प्रीमियर का फोटो है.
और ये फैन से क्या बातें हो रही है?
ये फैन से वही कि आप छूट गए, एक ही फैन छूट गया मेरा, बाकी तो है सब.
Good one.
Good one.
And the best
one.
One funny one you got actually.
Yeah.
Okay, and the last one is recommend 3 web series apart from Ashram to all our viewers.
Okay, Black Warrant, Friends, that I watch all the time. And there's one more which I watched. I don't remember the name. No, okay, Money Heist. That was long ago, but yeah. There was the one which I'm talking about now. I can't remember the name, but it was a very good film. It was a film actually.
कोई नहीं. अभी ये जो segment होगा ना, इसमें you have to look here in this camera only. I will be asking you questions.
Okay.
This is called Get to Know Me on Movie Fight. Okay. What's your go-to cheat meal?
Vada pav.
What's your hidden talent?
I make koel sound, like bird sounds.
Wow. Wow. Any other bird also? Can we just hear?
I knew it, that's why I don't do it. Like, kahan hai? Later, you're going to call me again, right? Yeah, we have more series coming.
One advice to your younger self.
My younger self, you did very well. Thank you. Except now.
What is the easiest way to piss you off?
Shit, if I tell you that, then you're going to piss me off all the time. If somebody pokes me, I get very irritated. Yeah, that's there. Even on Facebook, no poking. No.
And there are few people who will always talk like this.
Yeah, they're like, I'm like, I get really like irritated.
Your go-to person.
My sister, elder sister.
Close friend in the industry.
Close friend. You. Yeah.
वाह.
We just
वाह.
became friends.
सफेद झूठ मतलब बैकड्रॉप सफेद है अभी देखो.
Oh God. Okay.
चलो आश्रम से ही बता.
Sorry. Bobby sir, Chandan. Close friends. Yes, very close.
Now, very close.
Yeah, now.
Okay. What are you scared of the most?
I'm scared of going in that MRI machine. I recently went. I felt very like claustrophobic. It's very scary. That bow is like so small and all that. No? So yeah, MRI machines I'm scared of.
Okay.